You ever watch someone trade so effortlessly, like they're reading the market's mind? No hesitation, no FOMO, no randomness, just clean precision, like they knew exactly what was going to happen before it did. That's how I trade. So clean it feels illegal. But let me be clear, it didn't start this way. Most traders jump into the markets thinking it's about finding the perfect indicator or buying a signals group. I was that guy. Once I chased price, I overtraded. I looked at 5 different confirmation tools just to still second guess myself. I was in every Discord, every Telegram, and still blowing accounts. The truth is, trading isn't hard because the market is unpredictable. It's hard because most people are blind to what actually moves price. They react emotionally, they trade noise. But once you understand what the market is actually doing, you begin to see structure. And structure brings clarity. Now, when I look at a chart, I'm not looking for some magical setup. I'm looking for the same few things every day, like clockwork. Where's the liquidity? What's the bias from the higher time frame? Where is the market engineering stops? What time is it? The market isn't random, it's algorithmic, it's engineered, and if you know how to read that engineering, you don't chase price, you anticipate it. Here's what clean trading really means. Every day I start from the higher time frame, daily or 4-hour. I define my bias based on market structure. Are we in a bullish or bearish environment? Where's the last displacement? Did price leave a fair value gap behind? That tells me where the smart money wants to go. Then I look for liquidity. Where are traders going to get taken out? That's where the market is going. Not where they expect, but where it can cause the most pain before reversing. Next comes precision. I use ICT concepts to enter in a way that feels surgical. I wait for a displacement, a strong move that leaves a fair value gap, and I mark that imbalance. But I don't jump in right away. I wait for price to return to that gap, usually during a specific kill zone, New York session or London open. I enter when the stars align, market bias, liquidity sweep, fair value gap, and optimal trade entry, usually at a 62% retracement inside that gap. Stop loss, tightly tucked behind the low or high that created the imbalance. Take profit. The opposing side's liquidity. And the trade, most of the time it hits without ever going into drawdown. It's clean because it's mechanical, no guessing, no emotions, just alignment. I remember one trade, NASDAQ Tuesday, 10:15 a.m. Price swept sell side liquidity right into a 15-minute FVG aligned with a bullish daily bias. I entered with a 1% risk targeting the previous day's high. Price barely hesitated. It ran clean, hit my target, and reversed. One and done. And here's what makes clean trading feel almost unfair. You're not trading more, you're trading less. But the quality of your setups makes it look like you're always right. That's not luck. That's system patience and understanding. Most people think more trades equal more money. But I've made more money by doing less. 1 or 2 setups a week, but with precision and size, outperforms taking random setups every day. The psychology is different too. When you're only trading high quality setups, your mind is calm. You're not glued to the screen. You're not revenge trading. You don't care about missing moves that don't fit your plan. And ICT's concepts gave me this edge. I've studied every model, every playlist, every mentorship. I applied it, tested it, journaled it. And what I found is it works when you respect time, liquidity, and structure. You don't need 10 confirmations. You don't need to scalp every candle. You need discipline, clarity, and the ability to sit on your hands until the market gives you exactly what you're waiting for. So the next time you're looking at your chart and you feel the urge to click buy or sell, ask yourself, is the market engineered for this trade, or am I just reacting? That's the shift. That's when it starts to feel illegal, because you're not fighting the market anymore. You're flowing with it. And when you do that consistently, trading becomes clean, calm, and profitable. If this helped open your eyes to a cleaner way of trading, hit like and drop the word clean in the comments. I've got more videos coming that break this down even further, with real trades, full walkthroughs, and even live sessions. Make sure you're subscribed. This is how I trade so clean. It feels illegal,